you ever had a hard time finding the main idea and supporting details when reading online? Does this make it difficult to truly understand the text? I have a solution for you. Beta Scribble is an online program that allows you to highlight text using different colors to emphasize main ideas and supporting details. Let's take a look at how it looks. What you can do is you can sign up for free. Click the sign up button. It'll take you to the sign up page. Here you will add the email, password, first name, last name, and click I'm not a robot and hit create account. I have already created an account, so once you hit create account, it'll take you step by step on how to add the Scribble toolbar to your bookmark toolbar. So since I've already done that, I'm going to go to the website. I found a website on global warming. Now, looking at this website, it's very tricky for me to find different information because it all looks the same. For this purpose, I want to find the main idea of this website, which is global warming. I want to find different causes and different effects it may have. Looking at this is very hard to do at this point, so I'm going to hit the Scribble toolbar. It'll then give me the toolbar on the bottom through Scribble to help me highlight and find main idea. So as I am reading, I notice that global warming and climate change are terms for observed century scale rise in the average temperature of the Earth's climate system and its related effects. So I know the main idea is going to be talking about global warming and climate change. So I'm going to highlight. Click the highlight button, and then you just highlight like you would a normal text, and there it is. I'm going to write a note that helps me to remember this is the main idea. All information will be about global warming. Just so I can make sure that I remember that it's about global warming. Now, I'm going to be reading through. For this purpose, I'm just going to skim through. I've already read this to make it quicker. I'm just going to go down, and here you can see that most scientists believe that it is caused by increasing concentrations of greenhouse gases and other human activities. So I'm going to highlight that. That's a supporting detail. Now it's not the main idea, so I don't want it to be in yellow. I'm going to change the color to red. So now I know that the cause of global warming is greenhouse gases and other human activities. I see yellow and red. Down on this button, you can click here. It brings you to an annotation legend. So under the yellow, I can hit main idea. Under red, I can put causes. So I know that what's highlighted in yellow is related to the main idea. What's highlighted in red is going to be talking about the causes. If I continue reading, in the next paragraph, I find some different effects. So anticipated effects include global warming, or warming global temperature, rising sea levels, changing precipitation, and expansions of deserts in the subtropics. I'm going to highlight then that. Again, this is not talking about the main idea, and it's not talking about causes, so I'm going to change the color. I'll change it to blue. I can change it on the annotation legend to effects. As I continue reading, it's talking about how warming is expected to be greatest in the Arctic with, here's another effect, continuing retreat of glaciers, permafrost, and sea ice. I'm going to highlight that again and change it to blue so I know it's an effect. As I continue reading, here's some more effects, more frequent extreme weather, heavy rainfall, heavy snowfall, and etc. So again, change this to blue so I can easily see that it is an effect. Okay. Now, under the red, I'm going to make a note just to help me. Attach note. I'm going to move this note over here. And I'm going to write that not everyone believes seen. It's global warming. And this is just something I've been hearing around, that not everyone believes it. So I'm going to put it there so I can remember that some people don't believe this, but most are. Most scientists are, but not every other person. Now if I wanted to add effects here, maybe I want to attach a note here asking what changes are likely to be seen in my area, just as a question. Something I thought about as I was reading it. So you can add notes, something that you think of from your background knowledge or questions you might want to ask or think about later on. As I look at this website now as a whole, it's easier for me to understand the main idea and understand how causes and effects relate to that main idea. Now, if I need to get going somewhere and I don't have time to continue reading, what I can do is you go down to the bottom here, you can hit save. I'm going to just keep this page name as global warming. Comments might be article to help with science project. And then the tags could be science or technology, anything that would help you out. And then I'm going to hit save. By saving this page, I'm able to go back and read it or go back and add to it later on as I'm continuing to work on my project. So if you do have a hard time finding the main idea and supporting details when reading online, I highly suggest this program, Beta Scribble, because it will help you to find main ideas and find the true meaning of the text by using highlighters. So, good luck with this program, and I hope you find as much success with it as I have.